Welcome back at BartlikBartlik channel. Today we are going to introduce a new topic, and this new topic will be foundations. We are going to discuss foundations. So what is a foundation? A foundation, this is a structural element that transfers all the total loading to the soil. In simple terms, I have said that it is a structural element that transfers all the total loading of a structure or of a building to the soil. This is the structural element that is in contact with the soil. So that is what we mean by foundation. So foundations are classified into two. And these classifications, we have shallow foundation and deep foundation. So we are going to name foundations that are classified under shallow foundations. Number one, we have the individual footing or the isolated footing. So that is one type of shallow foundation. And also, as you can see in our illustration, that is what we mean by individual footing or isolated footing, classified under shallow foundation. Number two classification that is under shallow foundation is combined footing. Again, our illustration shows what we mean by combined footing. Type number three of shallow foundation is the strip foundation. So strip foundation, again, as you can see in our illustration, that is what we mean by strip foundation. And then under that classification of shallow foundations, we have the raft or the mat foundation. So as you can see again in our illustration, that is what we mean by raft or mat foundation. When it comes to deep foundations, that is classification number two, deep foundations. Under deep foundations, we have pile foundation. So pile foundation, that is a type of foundation that is classified under deep foundation. And then type number two, that is under deep foundation classification, we have the drilled shaft or caissons. The drilled shafts or caissons. So those are the types of foundations. So let me just go through it again. We have said that what is a foundation? A foundation, this is a structural element that transfers all the loadings of a structure or a building to the soil. Again, this is the structural element that is in contact with the soil. And I have said that foundations are classified into two. We have got shallow foundations and deep foundations. And under shallow foundations, I have said that we have got individual footing, combined footing, strip foundation, raft or mat foundation. And then when it comes to classification number two, which is deep foundation, we have got pile foundation and drilled shaft or caissons. As you have seen in our illustrations, you can be able to differentiate these types of foundations. In our next video, we are going to discuss each and every individual foundations. Thank you. Please like, share, and comment.